Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube channel on a phone. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just simply create your own YouTube account. So as you can see here, I'm about to open my YouTube. And then once you have your own YouTube account, all you have to do is just simply go to your profile. It's here at the top right corner. If you want to make an account or add an account, you just have to tap this one here. You can choose the account here or you can create a new one. Now, let's just say if you wanted an account, you have to verify that it's you. Click or tap I'm not a robot and then click next. Okay, so you just have to answer this one. Once done, tap next. And then here you have to enter your password. Okay, in order for you to switch your account. And then tap next. And then here it is. Now, if you want to create an account, you just have to do the same step, but you have to provide name, last name, email address, phone number, and password. So here you just have to simply click your channel. Now, if you want to edit or set up a new channel, you just have to tap this pencil icon here. And then once you're here, you can now set up your own channel. You can add name, email address. You can also add description, privacy. You can keep all your subscriptions private. You just have to turn this one on. Now you can also change your profile pic here and also your background picture. All you have to do is to tap the camera icon to change your profile. Also same with your background. Okay, so that's it. Now I suggest that you should keep your account safe. Okay, in order to do that, you have to go to manage Google account. And then here you just have to go to privacy. Okay, so we have here home, personal info, data and privacy, or you could also go to security. When you go to security, there you can see this two-factor verification to avoid being hacked. As easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.